toilets, such a major concern for all of us. Whenever we have to use a public restroom, we are like, oh my god, why can't we stop it? But so what are the precautions we can take to save ourselves from infections while we are using a public washroom? Are you ready? So number one is sanitizer, which most of you would agree. Even if you after washing your hands, you might use sanitizer once you come out from the restroom. Second is, these are compressed towels. So these compressed towels are basically, if you put a little water in it, it can be used as a face towel or a hand towel. Number three is paper soap, because some washrooms do not have a soap, so this is a must to carry, especially in travels and all that. Number four is a pee buddy. I use these kind of a pee buddy because obviously if you stand and pee, then the infection is less, and if you know how to hover and pee or squat position peeing without touching the surface, that can also be possible. And number five is seat cover. Now the five things which I carry when I'm stepping out of my house, because when it is nature call, I will have to use it and I will not have any choice. If you want the links for these products, just put it in the comment box. Link please, I will share the Amazon link with all of you guys, and the caption below to understand more important and innovative tips to use the public restroom. And don't forget to save it for later. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy parenting.